singled out an actor par excellence who has managed to easily straddle the lines between Hollywood and Bollywood. But it was the internet sensation Mirzapur that brought him into the spotlight. For quite some time, a lot of our readers have been vociferously demanding that we put him on the cover, mostly the ladies, and we finally listened. So the unveiling was the cover looks fantastic. And Ali, I'd like to ask you a couple of questions. First off, so you've been termed as one of India's most desirable men, and now Stardust is calling you the sexiest man of the year. So how does it all feel?
Nice. There's so many other words I can use, but wonderful. Isn't that a nice thing when somebody calls you sexy or beautiful? And you know, I'm actually privileged. I mean, thank you for the team to put me on the cover out there, and I think there are a lot of sexy men in India and the world. So I'm very honored. I'm really honored. Thank you.
And who inspires you as an actor and as a person?
Wow, they're two different questions. As an actor, I'm a big fan of Mr. Dilip Kumar and Marlon Brando. These are people I've followed religiously since I was a kid. Guru Dutt Sahab, and I mean endless people. Also filmmakers. As a person, I mean it's my grandfather I grew up with, my nana, and I really respect him. There's a lot of him in me, and yeah. A lot of people make you. I think your friends and your mother, your father. Yeah.
That's wonderful. And you're one of those actors who so easily managed to straddle the lines between Hollywood and Bollywood. Was it an easy task?
No. No. I think it has to be hard. Like I said earlier as well, you live out your week, you live out your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you enjoy your Sunday. You don't get it on Tuesday sitting back saying, hey, I want my little break or I want my little Hollywood gig, and I like the idea of that. मैं जहाँ रहता भी हूँ मैंने सोचा वो लोग बोल रहे थे नहीं काम के पास रहो जहाँ होता है काम उस साइड अंधेरी and all that side and not to be any rude to anybody but मेरा ना वो from home to work you have to travel, you have to do that. We have to get used to be doing that work. That's very important. I believe in that.
That's really great, and thank you for taking out a Friday for us. And I'd like to now throw the floor open to questions from the media, so please take it away.
Hi, Andy.
Hi.
How did your debut in Hollywood happen?
Well, I debuted in fact in a cameo in Fast and Furious, Part 7, and that was again very random. I had just finished Fukre. Shooting of Fukre, I was taking my first holiday in the year in Mussoorie, and I got a call saying, "Yeah, we have to record this thing, this audition, in fact." And I recorded on my phone, और वहाँ पे internet नहीं था. So I remember we've sent it, through my friends, and somehow within a week I was, they liked the audition a lot, and they flew me down. I shot for it. Of course, halfway through that film, we lost Paul Walker, so that was sad. We resumed shoot, 6 months later. So it was quite the experience. Of course, later than Victoria and Abdul happened, just a year back. That was a totally different process.
Andy, is it true that initially you were reluctant to do Mirzapur, or you were warned not to do it?
I was warned. I wasn't. From day one, I knew that there's something in it. I'm very instinctive, and that also sometimes backfires and goes against me. But this one I just knew something was right about it because also I have put one foot on the other side of the world. So all these opinions were coming from here, but I know what's happening in the West right now. I know the web has taken over a lot of things. It's changed the game. It's not removed the celluloid, it's not removed cinema, but there's room for everybody now. And if we have to play at a global scale, India and all of us, I think we ought to give it a chance. We ought to take chances and not fall back all the time on formulas. I think that's where we've gotten stuck. And we saw the last year, in fact, solely on your Fridays. We've seen things changing, and I think that's wonderful.
अरे जैसे कि मिर्जापुर का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, फैंस बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं,
Thanks.
बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद कर रहे हैं. आपको किस तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, आपको किस तरीके के कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं आपके किरदार के लिए?
अच्छा मिल रहा है यार. बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है. लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. क्लियरली इंडिया में वायलेंस सबको बहुत पसंद है. Yeah, apart from that, acting, you know, a lot of people have appreciated. Also, standing alongside Pankaj ji, you know, I feel very cool. I've known him since Fukre, but इसमें थोड़ा सा एक हमारा 36 का है पूरे मिर्ज़ापुर में, तो मज़ा आता है. You know, I
काफी काफी अलग तरीके का किरदार पकड़ा है आपने, जिस तरीके से
ये बहुत अलग है. ये मतलब I don't think people would. I was telling them also कि मैं I wouldn't cast Ali Fazal in a मिर्ज़ापुर.
एक लैंग्वेज भी अलग है, तो सोचा था कि इस तरीके का रिस्पांस मिलेगा पब्लिक से, और लगता है कि रंग लेकर आई है जब इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने देखा नहीं, तो मैं अभी भी मैं पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा देखता रहता हूँ, बिकॉज मैं अपने आप को नहीं देख. आई एम वेरी क्रिटिकल ऑफ माई सेल्फ, बट I called the Mirzapur people I was very friendly with finally when the show came out, and that was my first sort of check. क्योंकि वो लैंग्वेज ना यूपी दैट होल नॉर्थ में हर 10 गज पे लैंग्वेज बदलता है, डायलेक्ट बदलता है. तो यहाँ पे शायद बहुतों को ना पता हो. एक हमारा एक जेनेरिक एक वो है, लखनऊ में अच्छा ऐसा बोलते हैं, तो बनारस में भी ऐसा ही बोलते होंगे, बट इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड आई कीप सेइंग दिस, a small word like bhaukal. You know, it changes. In Lucknow you'd say bhaukal, but in Banaras it will become bhokal. It's a very small change.
ओके, सीजन 2 की
So
बात
those
हुई, इसके
things.
ऊपर क्या कहना चाहिए?
Season 2 is happening. It's you know, we're on. I can't obviously tell you the story.
Abhi, who are your favorite co-stars you have worked? I mean, you have worked with various people. Like, it's not just one type of actor, but a lot of actors. Who have been your favorite to work with them? That's all. And
Wow.
what kind of experiences do you have with them?
Experiences are interesting actually, because everybody have had different experiences. I mean, like Shah Rukh sir has been my producer at the beginning of my career. Amir Bhai has been like my co-actor in a very small way, because I did a cameo in Three Idiots. Or you know, Farhan and Ritesh have been producers always. I've never shared screen space with Farhan sir. Vidya I've shared screen space with, literally opposite her, so I know she's like this, you know, very close friend who we keep bumping into each other, of course, now. Diya, I love to like bits. Diya Mirza, she's everything for me. I think she's also my neighbor, तो ऐसा घर वाला feel आता है. But I just love her. And Fukre gang, again, it's probably the only gang that kind of has stuck it out throughout all these 3-4 years, because it was a very interesting friendship. And I don't mean just Richa, but I mean everybody, you know, on the team. And we still go out on Fridays and watch movies. And we would have gone today if there was no launch of a cow.
Okay.
I'm kidding, but yeah.
But I mean, in general, when you're choosing, say, a film or a role in Bollywood and in Hollywood, are there any differences you have, or it's the same for you?
No, I mean, you know, I think that's why, you know, I was discussing that the content is changing, and that is what's going to eventually bring everybody to a certain level. But of course, yes, because of technology, because of you know, better productions in certain films. Now, I've only had experience in one which is larger than life, like the Dabang of Hollywood. So clearly, that was out of space experience, and one was it was a biopic. It had to be done right, and so it had like such big production houses with it, studios with it. So those experiences are definitely different from what I've had here. Both are unique in their own way, and I hope we are getting there.
ओके, अभी इसी के साथ में प्रस्थानम को लेकर भी बहुत ज्यादा बज़ बना हुआ है, आप उनके साथ में गाना भी करते हैं. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था संजीव बाबू के साथ में काम करने का?
मज़ा आ गया. I've been a big fan. I think he's the only superstar for me in in Bollywood. Period. Lovely experience. He's playing my father. Manisha ma'am is playing my mother, and Jackie Da is also there, and Amaira Dastoor is opposite me. Satyajit Dubey is playing my brother in this, younger brother. So it's a nice political backdrop in UP, and heavy film, but drama, lots of drama. Deva Katta is directing it, who directed the original in the South, which was about 10 years back. It was a big hit by the same name, Prasthanam. And Baba is producing it also, so मैं उनसे information दे रहा हूँ, पता नहीं. It was fun, yeah. We shot a song. I think it was great, yeah. You know, we danced together, had fun. Ganesh sir was, you know, choreographing it. It was nice, yeah.
And क्या क्या स्टेटस है फिल्म का, कब तक ट्रेलर?
We just wrapped here. So I think next year, early next year, it should come, because I'm around Milan Talk. I mean, that's my next film, Tigmanshu Dhulia ki. Feb में आएगी शायद, Feb March में Milan Talkies. I think around then only we plan उसका release, trailer. That's it. Hey, listen, that's not fair. You took it from my interview right now. I told. ऐसा public में पूछूंगी मैं उसको. Yeah, yeah, of course. There was one. Oh, बात बन गई or something I did. Yeah. So really, God, it's a sad film. I did a double role now. I wanted to check off a double role. Anyway, very random things that we've all done. Yeah. That was my little regret. And another 2-3 other things. Yeah. Can't
You
talk.
said you would have maybe gone this Friday to watch a movie. Which movie would you have gone to watch?
No, kidding. I don't know. I know Aquaman has released. I don't know the Hindi films that have released right now. Been
No Hindi film this week.
no films this week.
Mr. Hira would know. Mr. Hira watches.
Mauli is है ना? कैसा है? How's the report?
It is good because the director is really good.
Oh wow. It's good, yeah.
Which one? Which one?
Mauli,
Ritesh Deshmukh.
Ritesh Deshmukh's
Uh-huh.
Marathi film.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was looking good. Looking forward to that.
I wanted to ask you about the web series. Is that there is an old thing of how you say censorship happening in the web world also now with Amazon and Netflix they are trying to do it. But do you think web series in India what kind of future? Like I'm not talking
We can't let that happen. I think you'll have to play a big part in it, because if you want to go on a global scale, हम ढिंडोरा भी पीटते हैं बाहर जाके, you know, on not just cinematic but political levels also. I mean, we have to not curb our freedom, but at the same time we on the other side have to take that responsibility. So when it came new in the game, सब अपना भड़ास निकाल रहे थे, हाँ गालियाँ दे दो और you know show as much मतलब अश्लीलता और ये सब चल रही है, but I think it's coming back to kind of us realizing that okay, we have to just be responsible and put good content out so that we can match up with what's coming there. But if we start censoring it, it'll be a problem, I think.
Because films in India are now facing a tough competition from Hollywood also. Like a lot of Hollywood movies are being very well in India.
Yeah, that's why we got to pull up our socks.
Yeah.
I'm going to put again back to content. We got to put good stuff out there, which is why I think the last year and the audiences are changing,
Yeah.
right? Because they have it now all on their phones, the Hollywood stuff. So which is why films like you know Andhadhun, Badai Ho, Stree worked, because they were really good films. Yeah,
We'll take one more question.
Any upcoming projects?
we just spoke about Prasthanam,
Are there
and
rumors of you and Richa dating each other?
let it be.
No, you're supposed
That's
to answer
nice.
the question.
Confirm है. मतलब बहुत से ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ मैं? We are.
Last question.
What kind of genres do you want to explore as an actor?
I just took a chance with a huge one, which was, of course, action in Mirzapur that I've never done. Everybody thought I was one urban, वो टुनटुना बजाने वाला, you know, non-Hindi speaking, you know, very subtle actor and all. तो वो मैं नहीं हूँ. And I think this is to all the actors also. I think हमारे Indian जो लोग हैं ना बड़े expressive होते हैं. तो जब हम Hollywood की करते हैं ना ऐसे no expression, वो बहुत गलत होता है. And a lot of people think that's Indians are very expressive people, and we should imbibe that and use it in our film. Anyway,
That was a really great session. With that,
Thank
we
you, yeah.
conclude today's event. Thank you so much, Ali.
Thank you
for
so
coming
much.
out, and thank you so much everyone else.
How do you feel being on the cover page of Stardust magazine?
अच्छा लग रहा है यार. Stardust इतनी पुरानी magazine है, iconic magazine है. It's such an iconic place also to be. Your original office. I'm very happy, very honored, and to be now with so many other stars in the same film. Yeah.
अरे बचपन में कोई ऐसा सपना था आपका कोई मैगजीन को देख के कि हाँ एक दिन इस मैगजीन पे आना है जो अभी तक मौका ना मिला हो और उस पे जाना कवर पेज क्या माना जाता है?
पोस्टर पे था, मैगजीनों के बारे में बाद में पता चला, तो वो भी अच्छा एक फील आता है यार. आई थिंक आई लाइक जब काम की वजह से आपको मिले, यू नो. बहुत दूसरे भी रीजंस होते हैं आजकल, लेकिन काम की वजह से जब मिले तो और अच्छा लगता है. Stardust is iconic, man. Film Fair Stardust. I think I'm really honored to be
2018 की अगर बात की जाए तो कितना लकी मानते हैं आप 2018 में?
very lucky, यार. I've been quite lucky, and it's been a busy year. Personal life थोड़ी वाट लग गई थी, but घर पे भी I remember, you know, काफी my close people got sick, but at the same time फिल्में शूट हुई हैं. Victorian Abdul, you know, was declared a hit last year, end of last year. Academy membership, everything, you know, it's all come nicely. I'm very happy.
ओके, हॉलीवुड प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में कुछ अगर बताना चाहें?
यार दो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, मैं ज़्यादा उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर सकता. वही उधर भी बात यही हो रही थी, बट एक और बायोपिक है, उस पर काम हो रहा है. लीड रोल है, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग रोल. आई थिंक जैन फेब में उसका अनाउंसमेंट होगा. अभी मैंने एक अपनी पहला डायरेक्टोरियल डेब्यू ख़त्म किया है. जस्ट इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म दैट आई हैव जस्ट शॉट और रिटन माई सेल्फ. तो वो भी आई थिंक इंशाल्लाह मैं एडिट करके दिखाऊंगा सबको. आई बी वेरी हैप्पी टू.
ओके, कब तक आएगा वो?
यार मैं लिटरली कल मैंने ख़त्म किया शूट, तो मैं मे बी जनवरी में एडिट करूँगा, फेब मार्च तक आई शुड शोकेस. और फिर जस्ट प्रमोशंस फॉर अपकमिंग फिल्म्स ऑफ प्रस्थानम एंड मिलन टॉकीज.
मिर्ज़ापुर, जैसे कि आपका मिर्ज़ापुर बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा, तो उसके बारे में आपको कैसा लगा? व्हाट वाज द एक्सपीरियंस यू फेस्ड, ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन?
यार ऑडियंसेस हैव रियली लाइक्ड इट. मैं अभी लखनऊ गया था तो सब फ़ोन पे से देख रहे हैं. It has really picked up a lot, I think, over the last 1 month. And I'm happy because I felt very unprepared and insecure at a lot of stages in Mirzapur. So my walk, my posture changed because of that. And so that became part of my character, which today feels right. But at that point I remember why I chose that, because I wasn't ready. And I'm very happy that it was convincing enough for people to accept. And I think it's so nice to see that people still like the stories of underdogs and the innocence, even in a world that is filled with guns and everything. The character's been really appreciated, so we'll take it forward. मजा आएगा season 2 में.
जैसे कि आपने कहा कि मिर्ज़ापुर के ऊपर तो काफी मतलब उसके वन लाइनर्स, उसके डायलॉग भी बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो रहे हैं. लोग मतलब उसके ऊपर म्यूजिकली ये सब बना रहे हैं.
हाँ, बहुत हो रहा है यार.
तो आपका ऐसा कौन सा फेवरेट डायलॉग है? अगर आप डायलॉग कह के अगर सुना दें.
मीम पता नहीं, डायलॉग मुझे अब क्या है ना, फेवरेट जो है 3-4 हैं सर, अश्लील थोड़ा डायलॉग्स हैं, गाली वाली है. बट एक मेरा फेवरेट है कि वो बिकॉज इट फिट्स एवरीवेयर. शुरू मजबूरी में किए थे, अब मजा आ रहा है. एंड आई थिंक दैट जस्ट गोज फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई डू इन लाइफ. सो या दैट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स. थैंक यू यार, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.